We moved on to item 5. On Friday, 3 friends shared how much they read during the week. Barbara read the first 100 pages from a 320-page book in the last 4 days. Colleen read the first 54 pages from a 260-page book in the last 3 days. Nancy read the first 160 pages from a 480-page book in the last 5 days. My question is, can't these girls find anything more interesting to talk about? That's a little park test joke. Part A says, a person's average reading rate can be defined as the number of pages read divided by the number of days. Place the 3 friends' reading rates in order from greatest to least by clicking on the names and dragging them into the correct order. So my first step is going to be to get a calculator. I'm going to move it over here. And Barbara read 100 pages in 4 days. So I'm going to divide by 4. I could do this in my head, obviously. So Barbara is reading 25 pages for today, and I would want to write that down somewhere. And then I would do the pages per day calculations for Colleen and Nancy. So we'll just skip ahead to the point where I've done those. So now I've got Barbara with 25 pages per day, Nancy with 32, and Colleen with 18. So Nancy is going to move up to the top, Barbara's going to be in the middle, and Colleen's going to have the least rate. Part B says, if the 3 friends continue to read every day at their rates, who will finish reading her book first, second, and third? Order the friends from the first one who is predicted to finish her book to the third one who is predicted to finish her book. Click on the names and drag them into the correct order. So here I would subtract the number of pages they've read from the number of pages in the book. So for example, Barbara has 220 pages to read, and then I would divide 220 by 25, which was Barbara's pages per day, and that would give me the number of days it would take her to finish the book. And then I would use that same process for Colleen and Nancy, and then I would rearrange their boxes here from first, second, and third, and then I would have answered item 5.